Math 122, week number 8. And it says homework, but before I get to the homework, I really want to address this problem of the week. If you checked it out, you notice it's way different than what we saw before. Before I give you these little brain teasers, now I'm asking about data, make something, and I got all these crazy, they're not crazy, let's be honest, but there's a lot of instructions, a lot of stuff to digest. I'll help you hopefully tease this down. In particular, the very first thing that you need to know about the problem of the week is you need to find data. How much data? 30 and 50. What sort? Hey, something of interest to you. Sports, movies, all the good stuff. Find something that really grabs your attention. I am a sports fan. In particular, love those Los Angeles Lakers. You know, Magic Johnson, all the heroes, and of course, trophies, and, well, a little Swaggy Pete too. But there's lots of data. Forget the personality for a second. Lots of data with those Lakers. In particular, I went on the internet and found the statistics for their last 20 games. Okay, this is a lot of data, but you know what? It's too much. Oh, look at that. By the way, tell me where you get the data from. So the source is very important. It's data, but there's too much data. In particular, I've got dates. All right, that's data, but then I got team. That's more data. Did they win or lose? That's more data. I got their score. Lots of stuff. But remember, I'm looking for numerical, number data. So this not going to help me. No. Yes, let's go with this. I think this data set will help us. I think we can use this for the problem of the week. And, of course, I'm doing a sports example. You're going to think of something of interest to you that you can get numerical data from. Once you have the numerical data, what's next? Well, I'm going to organize it nice and neatly in a spreadsheet. There's different ways to do it. I've got it in this way. You could put it in a spreadsheet like this. Whatever's easiest for you. But what do I need to do? First of all, emphasize between 30 and 50 values. So what I'm doing right here, I've just got a small one just for the sake of argument right now. Make sure you get between 30 and 50. Don't just say, oh, here's the five favorite movies in their box office. No, 30 and 50. Okay, so I've got that. Once you do have those data, then here's some websites that will help make that box plot. Trial and error. Figure out. I guarantee a lot of will go to the first one because it's number one on the list. But whichever one is going to work for you. So if I take my data, remember not big enough, you need at least 30, but I'm going to take my data, I'm going to go to this website and just type it in the box. Ta-da. The website will give me this graph, which I can go to this graph, I can click copy and paste it into Blackboard. So everybody can get to the website, everybody's going to find some data. Once you get this graph made, click it, copy it, and paste it in Blackboard. Okay, that's good. So we can take care of that, but we're not completely done because after you have made a graph, then, remember this is a discussion board, there should be at least a little bit, and I know discussing math is always kind of a weird thing. Like, what do you mean it's a number? What do you want to talk about? But at the very least, you all can have intelligence observations about the other graphs and the other numbers people are doing. You might say, wow, I didn't realize the Los Angeles Lakers scored this many points, or wow, that movie was so good, or this country had so much population. You figure it out. But I think we can get some intelligent discussion, intelligent observations going on about the graphs and about the data. So you're going to take care of all that sort of thing. And what do I got the due date down here? Yep, Sunday the 5th. Think about it. If you put your box plot, if you post your box plot Sunday evening, we're not having a discussion. Get those box plots. I'm posting this on Thursday. I should see a bunch of box plots by Friday and Saturday. All right. That's what I'm going to leave you with right now, but another video is coming very shortly with the questions on the homework. Any other thoughts you might have, let me know.